Hi, to enable RCS chats on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, as a first step, find your Google Messages app, open it, and now tap your profile icon in the upper right corner. From here, choose Messages Settings, and now on top you should see RCS chats. So select it, and now you got option to turn it on or turn off. So if you can see that the switcher is black and other features are unavailable, then RCS chats is turned off. And to turn on, just tap on the switcher like that. After that, you should see status connected. You should see your carrier here, and you'll be able to manually enable or disable those additional features. For example, we can enable to automatically resend as text message. Now let's allow, and we can also auto-download files while roaming, but charges may apply, so I'm gonna keep this one turned off. And also, I have enabled this show typing indicators, send read receipts, and automatically resend as text. So now you can disable this one by tapping on the switcher, but you will be removed from RCS group chats after 30 days. So if you want to do this, just tap here and select this button turn off, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.